This YouTube channel was started less than a year ago, and it's already crossed 3 million subscribers. No face, no traditional filming, just animated documentary-style videos. And according to Social Blade estimates, channels like this are making up to $800,000 per year from ad revenue alone. If you've been on YouTube recently, you've probably seen channels like Fern creating these 3D animated documentaries that pull in millions of views. And once you start watching them, it's hard to stop. I personally found myself watching these videos for hours, which made me curious. How are these videos actually being made? And more importantly, what's the strategy behind their success? Most people think you need to be a professional 3D designer to create content like this, but that's not true. I found a way to recreate this entire style using only artificial intelligence tools. No 3D experience required. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint, how to come up with topics and scripts, how to generate 3D visuals, how to animate them into full documentaries, and how everything is edited together into videos that YouTube keeps pushing. If you stay till the end, you'll see how a single idea turns into a full documentary, step by step. Now let's get into the first part of the blueprint, channel growth and curiosity setup. This YouTube channel was started less than 365 days ago, and in that short time, it has already crossed 3 million subscribers. If you've been on YouTube recently, you've probably noticed channels like Fern creating 3D animated documentary-style videos that consistently pull in millions of views. According to Social Blade estimates, some of these channels are making up to $800,000 per year from ad revenue alone. What makes this even more impressive is how binge-worthy these videos are. You don't just watch one, you keep watching. That level of engagement signals that this isn't accidental. There is a clear strategy behind why these videos perform so well, and that's exactly what makes this niche worth breaking down. Why these videos are so watchable personally. I can watch these videos for hours without losing interest, and that's what pushed me to dig deeper. At first glance, most people assume these videos require advanced 3D design skills. That assumption alone stops many creators from even trying. But after analyzing this niche closely, it became clear that the animations aren't the real secret. The real power comes from storytelling, pacing, and structure. Once I realized that, I started looking for a way to recreate this entire format without needing years of design experience. That's when I discovered that artificial intelligence had quietly removed the biggest barrier holding most people back from entering this niche. Introducing the AI Blueprint. After testing multiple workflows, I found a repeatable way to recreate these documentary-style videos using only AI tools. In this video, I'm going to share the full blueprint, every step required to create videos like Fern, even if you have zero 3D design experience. We'll start by generating a topic and script using a custom GPT model built specifically for this niche. Then, we'll move on to creating 3D visuals and animating them into full scenes using new AI tools. Finally, we'll put everything together in editing, so the finished video feels polished, cinematic, and ready for YouTube. Free step-by-step resource. To make this process easy to follow, I created a free step-by-step document that includes all the prompts and tools used in this video. Inside that document, I also added a small golden nugget, a simple adjustment that can improve your editing quality dramatically. A lot of people skip over this part, but it plays a big role in making videos feel professional instead of amateur. The document is completely free, and you'll find it linked at the top of the description. I recommend grabbing it now, because it will make everything you're about to see much easier to replicate on your own. Creating the topic and storyline. The first step in the blueprint is choosing a strong topic and storyline. Channels like Fern usually focus on historical events, politics, or crime, because these subjects naturally create mystery and tension. To simplify this step, I built a custom GPT model designed specifically for this niche. I spent hours feeding it data from the most successful channels, giving it hundreds of topics and scripts to analyze. When you open this GPT, it looks like a normal ChatGPT interface, but it's trained to think like a viral documentary channel. This removes guesswork and replaces it with proven patterns. Selecting a viral-style topic. Once the GPT is open, all you have to do is ask it for topic ideas, similar to Fern-style videos. It will generate a list of topics that already resemble content that has gone viral. From that list, the topic about John Titor immediately stood out. If you're unfamiliar with him, he was a mysterious figure from the early 2000s who claimed to be a time traveler from the year 2036. The story is filled with unanswered questions, scientific language, and quiet confidence. Exactly the kind of narrative that works well in this documentary format. With the topic chosen, the foundation of the video is already strong: script and scene generation. With the topic selected, creating the script becomes straightforward. A single prompt tells the GPT to generate both the full script and detailed descriptions for each scene. This isn't random output. The model is programmed to write using the same language, pacing, and tone that Fern uses. Once the script is complete, the final prompt asks it to generate image prompts for every scene. These prompts describe exactly what should appear visually, which makes the next step much easier. At this point, both the narrative and the visual roadmap of the video are fully prepared, creating 3D polygonal images. To generate the visuals, an image generator is used. The challenge isn't generating images, it's achieving the specific 3D polygonal style seen in viral documentary videos. Default prompts won't get you there. After testing hundreds of variations, a single prompt template was developed that consistently produces the correct look. This template can be reused for any scene by simply inserting the scene description. You generate each image one by one, repeating the same process until all visuals are complete. The result is a full set of professional-looking images that appear as if they were created by an experienced 3D designer. Animating the visuals. Once all images are ready, the next step is animation. Image-to-video tools make this possible. And Leonardo is a strong option because of its motion control features. Each image is uploaded individually and paired with the same prompt used during generation. Using the Motion 2.0 model ensures smooth, realistic results. Camera movement presets like dolly or pan add cinematic depth automatically. After adjusting resolution and aspect ratio, the tool generates a clean animated clip. This process is repeated for every scene until the entire documentary is animated. Voiceover creation. A documentary lives or dies by its narration. Instead of recording manually, a realistic text-to-speech tool is used. 11 Labs stands out because of how natural its voices sound. After selecting or cloning a suitable voice, the script is pasted into the interface. Punctuation and formatting are used intentionally to control pacing and emotion. The voiceover is generated in seconds and reviewed for quality. If anything feels off, it can be regenerated instantly. Once finalized, the audio is downloaded and ready to be placed into the edit. Editing the documentary. Editing starts with placing the voiceover on the timeline and removing all silent gaps to keep the pacing tight. The animated clips are then added in chronological order, adjusting their length to match the narration. Intentional gaps are left for additional visuals, like images, news clips, or short videos. This mirrors what top channels do, mixing animation with real-world visuals to keep viewers engaged. Images are given subtle motion, while video clips add familiarity and context. The goal isn't complexity, but visual variety that supports the story. Sound design and motion graphics. Sound design is often overlooked, but it plays a huge role in how professional a video feels. Subtle background music is added beneath the voiceover and balanced carefully so it enhances emotion without distraction. Motion graphics, such as paper-cut text animations, are used sparingly to highlight key moments. AI tools make these graphics fast to create, saving hours of manual work. Together, sound and motion graphics add depth and polish, helping the video feel immersive while still keeping the focus on the narration and story. Zero views and algorithm trust. Many creators worry when their first videos get 0 views and assume they've been shadow banned. In most cases, the issue is much simpler. They're posting on brand new channels. New channels have no history, no watch time, and no engagement data, so YouTube has no reason to trust them. This causes distribution to be limited. Using an older channel with existing history immediately improves results. Aged channels are already trusted by the algorithm, which increases the chances of videos being tested and pushed to new viewers. Final export and readiness. Once all visuals, voiceover, music, and motion graphics are in place, the final step is exporting the video. At this stage, everything should already feel smooth and intentional. The pacing is tight, visuals are varied, and the story flows naturally from start to finish. Export settings should follow YouTube's recommended formats to avoid compression issues. With the structure already optimized for retention, there's no need to overthink the final step. The video is now ready to be uploaded and tested by the algorithm. Learning curve and closing thought. Learning how to work with artificial intelligence is becoming one of the most valuable skills in content creation. Interest in AI is at an all-time high, and creators who understand how to use these tools effectively have a clear advantage. Communities and shared resources can shorten the learning curve, but ultimately success comes down to execution. The entire process, from idea to final documentary, has now been laid out. Nothing here relies on luck. It's a system. What happens next depends entirely on whether you apply it or simply move on to the next video. Documentary-style ending preview. In November of the year 2000, a user named Time Travel Zero appeared on an online message board. He claimed he was from the year 2036. His name was John Titor. He spoke calmly, not like someone predicting the future, but like someone remembering it. He warned of a fractured America, explained concepts like quantum drift, and shared detailed diagrams of a time machine. He answered questions like a scientist, never trying to convince and only to explain. And that quiet certainty is what made his story linger long after the posts disappeared. You've now seen the complete process, from developing the idea and writing the script to creating the visuals, animating them, and assembling everything into a finished documentary-style video. None of this depends on advanced design skills or large production teams. It comes down to structure, storytelling, and using artificial intelligence with intention. If this breakdown helped you understand the process more clearly, support the video by liking it and sharing it with someone who could benefit from it. And if you want more practical breakdowns like this, consider subscribing. Focus on execution rather than perfection. The system works when it's applied consistently.